Good morning,
Good
class.
morning, Ma'am Blessing.
How are you today?
We are fine and okay, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. So may I ask Miss Kinisala to lead the prayer so we may start our class. Can anyone recall what we discussed yesterday?
Tackled about the parts of the computer using
Yes,
flashcards.
very good, Miss Kinsala. Miss Puras, can you give me at least two parts of the computer?
Central processing unit and read-only memory.
Very good. Thank you, Miss Puras. Okay, class, I'd like to share to you a quote related to the next topic. So, in life, there is no control Z. What do you mean about that?
Ma'am, in life there is no redo.
Yes, Miss Cruz. In our lives, we must be careful to our decision making. As it said to the quote that we cannot turn back the time. We cannot make our mistakes go right again. We cannot go back to things that we want to do. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, today, I will discuss to you about the word processor. Do you have an idea what is word processor?
No, ma'am. What is that?
Yes, word processor is a program capable of creating, storing, printing type documents like Google Docs, Apple Pages, and Microsoft Word. Can you give me an idea what is Microsoft Word? Yes, Ms. Kinisala.
Where we can type our documents or project,
Yes,
ma'am.
very good. Microsoft Word is the most popular word processor used by the people, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So there are a lot of features of word processor, such as text formatting. The text formatting, multimedia, spelling and grammar, adjust the layout, indentation and list, insert tables, header and footer, thesaurus, autocorrect, mailers and labels, import data, and the macros. These are the features of the word processor. You may use this formatting, text formatting to format your documents. You can use also multimedia. You can insert multimedia in the word processor. You can also check the spelling using the spelling and grammars. You can also insert your header and the footer. You can also use the autocorrect on in your paragraph if you have something, if there's a wrong grammar or wrong spelling. What is the use of the word processor? Can you give me an idea?
It is used for writing a report, ma'am.
Yes, Miss Kinisala. Yes, very good, Miss Kinisala. Please take note that word processor has a lot of uses, such as writing a book, writing a report, keeping a journal, taking down notes, creating memos and letter, detecting and correcting grammar errors, copying text from other sources, and editing them. So, there are a lot of options or screen elements you can use in Microsoft Word, such as so there are a lot of options or screen elements you can use in Microsoft Word, such as the quad or the quick access toolbar. Miss Cruz, can you read the definition of the quad or the quick access toolbar in the diagram?
Use the space button to perform frequently used commands with single click. Frequently used commands which include save, undo, redo, and print. You can customize the quick access toolbar to include other commands.
Yes, quick access toolbar is to display buttons to perform frequently used commands with single click. Frequently used commands which includes save, undo, redo, and print. You can customize the quick access toolbar to include other commands. You can find it in the right corner of the Microsoft Word. Next is ribbon. May I ask Miss Porras to read what the definition about the ribbon?
Ribbon. This organizes commands on tabs and groups the commands by topic for performing related document tasks.
Yes, very good. Tab is to display across the top of the ribbon. Tabs relate to a type of activity, for example, laying out a page. Next is group name. Group name is also indicates the name of the groups of related commands on the display. Next is dialog box launcher. Insertion point, Word document window, status bar. It functions to found at the bottom of the interface. On its left side, it indicates the line number and proof button. On its right side, it displays button to control the appearance of the window. Print layout button. This allows you to view the document as it would appear when printed. Next is the view options. This contains buttons for viewing the document in print, layout, full screen reading, web layout, outline or draft views, and also displays controls to zoom out and zoom in. Zoom slider. This increases or decreases the viewing area. Next, may I ask again Ms. Kinisala to read what's on the diagram?
Insertion point. This is a blinking vertical line that indicates where the text or the graphic will be inserted.
Yes, very good. Next, the last but not the least, may I ask Ms. Cruz to read the last
Word
diagram?
document window. This displays the active document.
Very good. Okay, I'd like to show you a chart on how to change the page setup and the paragraph. So if you click the page layout menu, there are 3 buttons such as themes, page setup, and paragraph. Under the page setup, you can find the margins, orientation, size, columns, breaks, line numbers, and hyphenation. So in this button, you can change your margins, the orientation of your paper, such as portrait or landscape, the size of your paper, long, short, or envelopes. Next is paragraph. Under the paragraph, there are 4 alignments, such as left alignment, center, right alignment, and the justify. Also, the bullets, numbers, and more options, such as the fill color and the border lines. So again, word processor is a program capable of creating, storing, and printing typed documents. And also, Microsoft Word Office is the most popular processor used by the people. So again, what are the uses of the word processor? Yes, Ms. Cruz. Yes, very good. The uses of word processor are writing a book, writing a report, keeping a journal, taking down notes, creating memos and letters, detecting and correcting, copying text from other sources and editing them. So, before we end up our lesson, I'd like to give you an activity. I will group you into 4 groups. Can you please count 1 to 4? Alright, all number 1 stand up and select your group leader. Next is group 2, followed by group 3 and 4. So each group will be scheduled in different time in using the computer laboratory. So group 1 will be on 8 to 8:30 a.m. and group 2 is 8:30 to 9 a.m. while group 3 and 4 will be at 9 to 9:30 a.m. and 9:30 to 10 a.m. So you're going to create your activity in your computer laboratory And I will give you a copy of different poem, and you are going to encode the format in Microsoft Word Office. So, can you list down the instructions? So these are the instructions. Page orientation must be portrait. Title of the poem must be bold. The alignment is center. Font style, font color, and font size. You can choose your own font style and color and the sizes. Criteria of this activity is 50 points. So today is Monday, and the next meeting will be on the computer laboratory. We'll see each other there. So that's it. Kindly get one each sheet of paper and answer the following questions I dictate. So are you ready? Okay. Give me at least 3 uses of Microsoft processor. Are you done, class? Next is give at least 2 elements of word processor. Okay, are you done? You may pass your paper to me. Thank you. So, before we end up our lessons, kindly jot down on your notes your assignment. So, okay? Question. Aside from Google Doc, Apple Pages, and Microsoft Word, look for another different word processor and give its definition and functions. Okay? Are we clear? Okay, I will repeat the question again. Aside from Google Doc, Apple Pages, and Microsoft Word, look for another different word processor and give its definition and functions. So that's it. That's all my lesson for today. So see you on the next meeting. Our next meeting is on Wednesday. So see you in our computer laboratory.